Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate 3 ways to print a percentage sign in C. So I've included my header file and my main function. So let's get started, but let's talk about the ways we use the percentage sign in C first. So first off, if we're going to pass an integer into a printf statement, we have to use the percentage sign and a D. If we're going to pass a character into a printf statement, we have to use a percentage sign and a C. And if we're going to pass a character array into a printf statement, we do a percentage %s. We'd also do a percentage %f if we're passing a float in. Okay? So how do we actually just print the percent sign? Like, let's say I wanted to print, let's give it 100%. Well, it turns out it's not that hard. So one way to do it is we can say, well, we can print, let's give it 100, and then we just do 2 percentage signs. Okay, let's give it 100%. I'm going to add an exclamation point for emphasis and a /n for formatting to bring it down to the next line. Okay, so that's one way, which is just 2 percentage signs. Okay, the next way is we can pass it into a character. So let's give it now 110%. Okay, so 110%, and then we have to do a character. I'm going to do an exclamation point and the /n here. But then we have to pass in the character, which is the percentage sign. So the next way to do it is do it like this, and then pass in the percentage sign outside the string. Okay. And let's give it 120%. Okay, so if we do it that way, we can do a character array with 1 character. Okay, and we can just pass in a percentage sign that way. Okay, so the third way is a character array, and we pass in 1 character. All right, end of this main function, I'm going to return 0, and I'm going to save this, and let's compile and run it to make sure that I'm telling you the truth. Okay, so let's open up eShell, and let's compile this. Into print %. Okay, and now let's run it. And you can see I'm printing out the percentage sign. It worked for each one. I hope you found this video interesting, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.